party, party girl. I know she wants more than a party, party girl. And she won't tell me her name, no, no, not me. Hey there budding Campfire Guitar Heroes, it's Dean again, and welcome to this week's quickfire 5-minute guitar lesson where I'm going to teach you how to play Party Girl by U2. So let's get straight into it now, but before we do, I recommend you download the free song sheet. All the details at my Patreon page in the link below. It's got all the lyrics, got the chords, everything you need to practice this song. Right, the original key for the song is B minor, and it's got an E minor in it, and an A. And look, I know it's got a B minor. If you're having trouble with bar chords, check out this video link above here. It's a great little video to show you how to master bar chords if they're a bit of a, I guess, a thorn in your side with your guitar playing. Anyway, back to the song, B minor, E minor, A. Another easier open chord option for this is playing in the key of A minor, to a D minor, and to a G. Now, one thing you may notice is that my finger patterns and everything may appear upside down to you. That's because I'm a left-handed player playing on a right-hand strung guitar, so they are upside down, but don't let that worry you because I'm putting all the chord patterns on the screen there and you can follow along, no worries. Okay, you don't need a capo for the song, and it's a medium slow tempo, 78 beats per minute, so it's an interesting chord structure. This song doesn't actually have a chorus, it's only got verses. It's got a verse 1, verse 2, then it's got this instrumental interlude followed by a verse, and an outro. Now I'm going to show it to you real soon. The last thing you need to know about this song in terms of vocal ability, I actually think using my patented Patreon vocal ability rating system, I think you need to have a busker type voice to be able to pull this song off properly. Let's make a start right now. Okay, the verse for the song, in fact the whole song is the same 3 chords, B minor, E minor, A in that order, and I'll show it to you now. B minor, E minor, A, B minor, E minor, A. I know a girl called Party Girl. B minor, E minor, A. You get the idea? Now, you want to spice this up a little bit. I was playing around with the chords, and I thought, what if I did this? And what I'd suggest is, when you play the B minor, instead of barring the entire 5 strings on the 2nd fret, you actually take the bar completely away and you're letting the open skinny E string ring out. Now that's actually the chord, I looked it up on a chord finder, and it's actually called a D6-9, but listen to it, I think it sounds so much richer. So that's the entire song. But as you can tell, it's not really about the chord playing, it's actually about the strum. And I'll show you how to do that now. Okay, I'll give you the foundational strum right now, and it's pretty much a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, right? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But of course that sounds a little bit boring, so you've got to throw a few more little up downs and a bit of muting in there, what I call chord muting. So it sounds like this. Off, down, off. Okay, the full strum, as I said, it goes like this. It's a down, up, down, up. You can hear that? I'm going down, up, down, up, down, up, then chord muting. I'm taking the pressure off the strings and I'm scratching the strings for the remainder of that bar, right? As I always say, strumming is about your ears, not your eyes. So whilst I've got the strumming pattern on the screen that can be quite mechanical, strumming is more a feel thing. So what I suggest you do is you know the song in your head, close your eyes, block the strings and just practice that strumming pattern. And that's the key to learning how to strum.